In this movie, we'll take a look at how to export a still image from our timeline or our browser. So I'm going to go into 12.1 and I'm going to load the export still project. And I have a marker down here and I'd like to export this as just a still image. So what I do is I come up to File and then Share. And then what you want is Save Current Frame, but it might not be in this list. You might have to add it. So to add that, you choose Add Destination. And then you would just take Save Current Frame and then drag and drop it over to this list. And once you do that, it will be available in the list. So I'll choose that. This is the Info tab where I can name it, give it a description, apply some tags. I'm just going to call it Handshake. And then I come over to Settings, and this is where I choose what type of file I want to export. So a TIFF is a nice high-quality file. I'll choose that. And I'm also going to select Scale Image to preserve aspect ratio. And Next. And we'll just send it to our desktop and save. All right, and that's all there is to it. If you want to export a still from a clip in your browser, you just need to make sure to put your playhead there and make sure that the clip is selected. If you click outside of it, it's going to take the playhead location in the sequence. Just make sure you see your yellow border so that it's selected. And then again, File, Share, Save Current Frame. I'll just call this Tunnel. And you can see that it has lots of tags because this particular clip is in a lot of sequences, but I'll just remove all of those. I'll select one and then Command A, and we'll delete all of them. And I'm going to go to Settings. And again, we'll export this as a TIFF file. And we'll save it to our desktop. Now, if I hide Final Cut, you can see I have 2 still images. And each of them is 1280 by 720, which is my video resolution. Now we can use our exported stills for anything. For example, as part of our film's promotional materials or as part of a DVD menu, which we'll touch on a little later in this chapter.